Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to take this mirror off of this Volvo S80. It's got the blind spot camera in it. Not sure how to tell if that works or not when they're out here in the salvage yard, but I'm going to take them anyway. Hopefully they'll work. First thing you got to do is take off the door panel. First thing I did was open up the door. Come in here. There's a trim piece right here. Looks like it's got a spot in the middle of it that you could pry this way. There's 2 screws under there, so I'm going to take those 2 screws out. Next thing I did was pry it around the door panel, knock the trim pieces loose, and try to lift the panel up and away from the door. It's got a plug here, cable hooked up there, and another blue plug here. I'm going to pull these loose without damaging anything. Then I'm going to get up top, see what I need to do up there. I got these plugs unplugged. The door panel just fell away. But here, this is kind of latched in here. You got to pry these open, I think, to get this cable out of here. Yep. If you're not holding it, it will fall down. Now I need to figure out how to get this off. I already unplugged that. I got another plug up there. It looks like the unplug. And then I could unscrew the mirror. So let me see how to get this trim off without destroying it. The front side had these pressure clips. Just pull them out and unhook the back side. So now you could unplug this. Got a little push. And then it's got a speaker in it too. Like I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that. This has a release there, and this has a release here. So let me squeeze those, get those off. Part of the blips. T30 here, and behind this gasket here is a T30 there. So pull those 2 T30s out, and this mirror should fall away from the car. It's got a guide pin there and a guide pin there as well. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.